Product name, Liene Photo Printer, 2x3 Mini Instant Portable Color Mono Picture Printer. The Liene Portable Bluetooth-compatible smartphones is a mini photo printer that can print photos via Bluetooth connection without Wi-Fi. It is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The printer uses Zinc Zero ink printing technology, which means the ink is embedded in the paper, so there is no need to buy ink cartridges or toner. The printer produces 2x3-inch photos on glossy paper that has a sticky back when peeled off, turning your photos into stickers, but can also stay sealed and non-sticky. The printer is portable and wireless, and 30 photos can be printed on one charge. The Liene app can be used to edit photos with regard to cropping, frames, enhancements, etc. Pros: easy to use. Good quality. No need to buy ink or toner. Inexpensive. Cons: blended colors don't print as well. In conclusion, the Liene Portable Bluetooth-compatible smartphones is a great option for those who want to print photos on the go. It is easy to use, produces good quality photos, and is inexpensive. However, blended colors don't print as well. The product is available on Amazon from $97.99. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.